working mom stuck in a never-ending loop. You wake up tired, rush to work, miss the school events, and barely make it to payday. And deep down you know something needs to change. This is for you. Because I was there not long ago, stuck and overwhelmed, and wondering how on earth could you build a future outside of this circle. But then I found something in just 2 hours a day that changed everything. We moved to New Zealand last year. I thought we're starting a new life, a better one. And just 4 months in, I couldn't find work. It was hard. The immigration process, settling into a new country, and surviving only on one salary and minimum wage. And out of desperation, I was looking into ways to make money online. That's when I found this digital course with full resale rights, the Legacy Builders program. And maybe, just maybe, this could be it. But back then, I wasn't fully committed. I was still job hunting, still doubting, and still scared. So I did a few faceless videos, but it didn't come from the heart, and I was just surviving. Then, in February, I finally found a job, a steady income, and I stopped everything online. But here's the part I didn't expect. The part that broke me the most inside. Even with all the stress, the fear, the finances, I got something I'd never experienced before. I got to be present. I've worked my whole life. JJ was in daycare at just 4 months old. I've worked nights, weekends, multiple jobs. But during those 6 months, I was home. I walked him to school. I helped him with homework. And for the first time, I really knew my child. And once you tasted that kind of presence, you can't unfeel it. Now, yes, I do have a job. And yes, the income helps. But the one thing I want more than anything else is to have time back with my son. And no, living on one salary isn't possible. That's why I'm doing this online business. Because I've seen what it's like to have time freedom. And I want it back. I'm building an income that fits around my life, not one that steals it. I knew I couldn't keep pushing this dream aside. I didn't want to work just to survive. That's when I came back to the Legacy Builders program. The same one I started in that 6 months at home. But this time, I show up differently. Because at first, I tried to hide. I did the faceless route, some webinar clips, random moments, and then AI voiceovers. I was terrified to put myself out there. But eventually I realized I'm more afraid of being stuck than I am of showing up. I'm more afraid of missing my son's life than messing up a video. So now I'm here talking to you as me. I'm not here as an expert. I'm here as a mom. One who finally said, I don't want to miss my life, just trying to survive it. So if you feel that ache for something more, and you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. And what's great, there are actually 4 different ways you can start, depending on your time, your budget, and where you're at in life. 1, the Launchpad. It's only $100. And it gives you a complete launch kit. The step-by-step daily actions, simple guidance, and the access to a really powerful community. Two, the passive daily pay blueprint. This one is all about earning 100% profit using ready-made digital products. You get a system that runs for you, so you can start earning passively, even while you cooking dinner or helping with homework. 3, the Digital Mastery Program. It's a more in-depth training about content, funnel, automation, and building a long-term brand. And then there's 4, the full Legacy Builders program. That includes all of this program. This includes everything. All the master resale rights on all of the programs. Weekly mentoring, templates, and so much more. Some moms are ready to go all in. Others just need a small start. Take one step and build from there. This fits around your life, not just the perfect moments. If you're watching this and you're where I was, tired, missing moments that matter while keeping everything together, then please hear me when I say this. You don't need to figure it all out. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Because the truth is, this isn't about getting rich quickly or quitting your job tomorrow. It's about building something that gives you more time and more peace. So if this spoke to you, even just a little, then this is your moment. Common freedom, or go to mommade-digital.com and I'll show you exactly how I'm building this, step by step. I'm Brenda and I'm showing up, showing you it is possible.